Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook pages. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete Facebook pages. So let's get started. So guys, to delete Facebook pages, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar facebook.com. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So to delete Facebook pages, first we are going to create a page. So to create page, here you can see the option of pages. So click on it. Now click on create a new page. Now type the name. I'm going to type here Trendy Startup. Category marketing. So you can type bio, but I'm not going to type bio. So simply click on create page. You can give your website link if you have. I'm going to type here a demo website link. So here I've entered the demo details. So I'm going to check this, no ads available, and click on next. Now again click on next, and again click on done. So guys, here you can see our page has been created. So now I'm going to tell you how to delete this page. So to delete this page, you have to simply click on account. Now in account you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now in this option you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. Now in settings you can see the option of privacy. So click on privacy. Now in privacy you can see the option of Facebook page information. So click on it. So as you can see, deactivation and deletion. So temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your page. So click on view. So if you want to deactivate your page, so simply check this option. But if you want to delete your page, so simply check this option, delete page, and simply click on continue. Now here you can see permanently delete page. Download your information. So you can download your information if you want, or transfer a copy of your information. So you can select the option which you want. So click on continue. Now enter here your password and simply click on continue and click on continue. So guys, here you can see our page has been deleted. So to check, simply click on pages. So you can see no page available here. So guys, here you can see we have deleted the Facebook page. So you can also delete the Facebook page by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.